I'm a trained radiographer at the Frederikshavn Regional Hospital here in Denmark. And I have been super user on CombiDiagnost R90 and CombiDiagnost R90 for a total of 6 years. In 2020 we decided to upgrade our existing 14 years old Philips multi-diagnost R90 system to the new CombiDiagnost R90. At first I was skeptical since the Combi does not have a C-arm. But after analysis of our actual examination types, we'll realize that the fraction of examination that can be performed on Combi is very limited. Today I can say that we don't miss the C-arm, even if we had concerns in the beginning. And unlike multi-diagnost, the new Combi offers a large SID, which means you can also do chest X-rays at the table according to the guidelines.
Philips.